This is a good spot for Be Real.
Recently, we went to Florence, Italy, and I'm going to be sharing with you our adorable Airbnb we stayed in. Florence is such an incredibly beautiful city that, I mean, I'm not surprised that our Airbnb was this beautiful. Maybe they all look this way, but I highly doubt it. Cheers. Thank you. Also, you have to go to one of the wine windows because it's just amazing. Where else can you do something like that?
You don't get to walk with it?
I think you probably Grazie. Did you keep it? Did you invite? He's like, don't speak.
And no, you don't walk around with the wine glass. You kind of stay in the same area.
Do. Good luck.
Drink your wine and then get the glasses back. But we just thought it was the coolest thing ever.
Third.
I think that's the fourth.
Okay, and now for the official Airbnb reveal. This was just the first quick video I took from my phone. The view from this Airbnb is probably the best, and it's such a convenient location. We actually had dinner right down there because we were just tired, and why not? The smaller bedroom has 2 twin-size beds, a decent-sized living room, but I just loved how decorated this place was. I don't know whether this is a traditional Florence style, but if it is, I'm into it. And that ceiling, incredible. This building's probably older than America. Let's be real. We're gonna go check out the view one more time. I loved the sounds because it just sounds like Europe. But the nice thing is that the windows do close all the way so you can block out the noise when you're ready to go to bed at night. Also, this is one of the only European Airbnbs I've stayed in where the host gave us self-check-in instructions. Most of the time they meet you and do a really awkward tour with you. But this one, you were able to have a code on your phone that unlocked the outside door as well as the inside door. It is on the 4th floor, I will tell you that, but such is Europe. Cute little kitchen there. The most adorable red fridge I think I've ever seen. Everything you need, honestly.
Tile, Dani?
I know, I want to.
I love green tile.
I think it looks so good.
We loved the green tile in this bathroom as well as the artwork, and now I want to make my bathroom look that way. Anyways, this is the master bedroom. Sorry, it's a little messy because this is the morning we were leaving. It does have a big bathtub and TV in that bedroom as well as a sink. I have stayed in a lot of Airbnbs amongst my travels, and I only review and do videos on the ones that I really enjoy. So please know that isn't just every time I stay somewhere I do a video. The one we stayed in Rome was awful, and this one was very pleasant. The host was wonderful. And I just took one last video of all of the different artwork and different knickknacks around the place. Just a really unique place to stay, very artistic and different. So I'm going to link the booking link to this Airbnb in the video description below. Please check it out and stay there while you're in Florence. Thanks for watching, guys.